Hey there! Welcome back to another Sunday range day here on the channel. This Sunday, we have the Harrington and Richardson 44 Magnum single shot. The little red dot that could. How about that? But we're not gonna play around with target too much. We kind of know where this gun hits, so we're going to set up some fun stuff and give you all hopefully a good show today and see what this little gun's got. But first off, as usual, we're going to show you that the gun is clear. It is safe for handling. As you can see there's nothing in the chamber or the breech. And get you a good overall look of it there. These were dandy little rifles. I think a lot of us hoped that Harrington and Richardson would start doing this again, because this was a win-win, I think, when they started doing the rifle calibers on their single shot guns like that. That's pretty cool. So let's get into the fun stuff. Let's not waste any time today and have some fun. All right, we're set up here at around 40 yards, and we've got some of the 44 Magnum 200 grain cowboy loads here, and we're going to send those at the target real quick and see what kind of grouping we get. Okay, that's 3 rounds. Let's go check our target out. All right, let's see what that little 44 mag single shot did there. Oh, wow, pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Yeah, touching the black. That is some cookie crumbs. All right, now let's get some fun stuff set up. We know where this thing's hitting. Let's have a blast. And for this go around, we've got a can of water. Hey, boys, he's shocked. Ain't he shocked? Let's see if we can make him jump for joy. What do you say? Okay, now we've got our water set up out there at distance. We've got these good old, there we go, 200 grain cowboy loads. Let's see what one of these lead cowboy rounds will do to the water out there. There we go. Woohoo! Let's check it out. All right. Looks like a good shot from back there. Hopefully this slow-mo caught it. Pretty good. A good hole. Yeah, good shot. All right. Now on to the next. There we have it. Mr. Who we got dealing with? Mixed vegetables today. Yeah, he don't look like he likes mixed vegetables. We'll make him like it though. There we go. Okay, now another one of those 200 grain cowboy action loads at Mr. Mixed Vegetables. Let's see if we can knock him down a little. Yeah, man. There we go. Okay, now let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a good shot. Right in the mouth. There's your mixed vegetables, guys. Now, let's try some zesty Italian with those mixed vegetables. What do you all think? Think we can spread that around? We might need to mix this up a little bit. If it's going to be messy and nasty, it might as well be at its peak, right? Let's see what we can do. All right, now let's open that zesty Italian and send it. Let's see what we did. All right, that's what we did. It wasn't very reactive to the point, unless the slow-mo caught something we didn't see. But good shot right in the center. See out the back. Yeah, we got a perfectly round hole. Let's try. But you know what? Let's see if we can punch this one more time while we still got a little left in there. Maybe the hole in it might give us a little more reaction. All right, 200 grain. Let's send it and see what it'll do. Trying our best to get a reaction for you guys. There we go. Let's check it out. Yeah, that was a little bit better. Sometimes you get a better reaction when you send another one through too. And we did there. You can see that is disgusting. Okay. But yeah, it went straight through it. Yuck. Ugh. And I got it on my target stand. Let's wash that off with another water. What do y'all think? Oh, we got room for more water, don't we? He's about happy to be here, ain't he? All right, now let's see if we can wash off that target stand a little bit. And yeah, make a boom. These cowboy loads are giving us everything they possibly can. Good shot. Wow. Terrific. Let's check it out. All right. Let's see what we got. That was a good one. A really good one. Still in the mouth. Blew it out. Look at that. You can see where the bullet actually on that pedal. How about that? Cool stuff. That's pretty awesome. Good reaction. All right, guys, one last thing. Extreme distance for the 44 Magnum cowboy load. We've made the trek out to 110 yards. Yes, put a couple pasters up, and we're all the way back there. And we'll see if we can hit those. Let's try. All right, now here we are, 100 yards with the cowboy loads. Let's see if we can lob them in there and make some impact out there. See, not this target, but these small little targets out there. Actually, the one smaller to the right of those. See if we can make them spin or swing. there we have it, guys. We squeezed one out there at 100 yards. Pretty good. Not bad for the cowboy stuff. We didn't bring it. Forgot our Magnum loads with us today, but that gives us an excuse to come back and try this Handi-Rifle again in the 44 Magnum. Yeah, let's show you now, for the purposes of handling, that it is clear. There's nothing in that chamber, as you can see. We are empty and safe for handling. Yeah, these were dandy little rifles. I really, really enjoy this gun. So stick around. We've got some great pictures of this rifle at the end. And a big thank you all, the subscribers, for watching all the way to the end. And big thank you to the channel members for keeping the lights on. Guys, until next Sunday, take care.